Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get CapCut Pro features for free. First, navigate to the CapCut application on your PC. Then, open any existing project. You'll see the Join Pro option in the top menu bar. Now, click the Export button in the top right corner. If you are using Pro features, you need to join the Pro version. To get it free, right-click the video on the timeline. In the pop-up menu, select the Create Compound Clip option. It'll ask you to double-click the compound clip to add it. On the right side panel, scroll down and click on Motion Blur. Here, decrease the blur option by sliding it to number 1. It'll start the processing to decrease the blurriness. Next, go to any part of the video and you can see the blurriness. After that, go to the Start menu and select Run. Type app data and click on OK to search for it. In the app data file, click on Local and navigate to the CapCut file. Then, select the user data and click on the cache file. Click on Motion Blur Cache and drag the video to add it as an overlay on CapCut. Now, right-click on the previous video and delete it by clicking Delete. Adjust the video and preview it before saving it. Lastly, click on Export and export it after removing the watermark. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.